So the big picture for this lesson is division properties of exponents. So for example, let's say you have 2 to the 7th power divided by 2 to the 3rd power. Well, what happens? You have 2 times 2, 7 times here. Divided by 2 times 2 times 2, 3 of them. Then to simplify this fraction out, you can simplify 3 2's from the numerator and denominator, and you're left with 4 2's, which is 2 to the 4th. So what happens here is you're actually subtracting the exponents. So as long as you have the same exponential base, you can subtract the exponents when you're dividing. It's called the quotient of powers property. Another property, let's say you have 3 over 5, and that's to the 4th power. That's the same thing as 3 to the 4th divided by 5 to the 4th power. So it's like you can distribute the exponent. That's the power of a quotient property. And another thing in this lesson is 0 powers. So for example, let's say you have 7 to the 0 power. That's the same thing as 7 divided by 7, which is 1. So any number to the 0 power is 1, except 0 to the 0 power, that is undefined. Because 0 divided by 0 is an undefined number. Now remember, for division, 10 divided by 5 equals 2, because 2 times 5 makes 10. Now if you try to do 0 divided by 0, what can you multiply by 0 to get 0? Well, any number. It could be 7, 15, you pick a number. And since there isn't a singular answer, 0 divided by 0 cannot be defined. So there are several examples in this lesson using the division properties of exponents, reducing fractions, that type of thing. That's the big picture.